This Blackstone flat-top gas griddle, with its impressive 28-inch cooking surface, is a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Whether you're hosting a large gathering or just a small family cookout, this versatile griddle is designed to meet your needs with ease and efficiency. Let's dive into a detailed review of this powerhouse griddle and see why it stands out in the competitive market of outdoor cooking equipment. One of the most striking features of the Blackstone 2-burner gas griddle is its large cooking surface. With 470 square inches of flat grilling space, this griddle can accommodate up to 44 hot dogs at once. This ample space makes it perfect for cooking a variety of meals, from breakfast to dinner. Imagine whipping up eggs, pancakes, quesadillas, grilled cheese, steaks, potatoes, and even teppanyaki-style dishes all at once. The possibilities are endless. The griddle is powered by two independent H burners that deliver a combined 34,000 BTUs. This ensures optimal heat distribution and allows you to cook different foods simultaneously at their ideal temperatures. Whether you're searing a steak on high heat or cooking pancakes on a lower setting, this griddle provides the flexibility you need for perfect results every time. Built with industrial materials, the Blackstone griddle is designed for durability and longevity. The robust construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of frequent use, making it a reliable choice for both home cooks and professional chefs. One of the standout features of this griddle is the patented rear grease management system. This innovative design makes cleanup a breeze. Grease and debris are funneled to the rear of the griddle, where they can be easily collected and disposed of. No more messy and time-consuming cleanup sessions after your cookouts. Setting up and using the Blackstone griddle is incredibly straightforward. The assembly process is simple, and with the battery-powered push-button ignition, you can get the griddle ready to cook in no time. Say goodbye to the hassle of kerosene, charcoal, and matches. With just a push of a button, your griddle is fired up and ready to go. The griddle's design also emphasizes portability and ease of transport. The removable griddle top, fold-up legs, and 4 industrial-strength caster wheels make it easy to move the griddle around your yard or take it with you on camping trips. 2 of the wheels are swivel casters with locking mechanisms, ensuring both stability during cooking and easy mobility when you need to relocate. The Blackstone griddle's versatility is one of its strongest selling points. It's not just a griddle, it's a complete outdoor cooking station. The 2 side shelves provide ample space for food preparation and storage, while the bottom shelf offers additional storage for your cooking tools and ingredients. The griddle's ability to lock in flavors is another unique feature. Unlike traditional grills where juices and flavors can drip away through the grates, the flat top surface of the Blackstone griddle ensures that the rich, mouth-watering flavors of your food are retained. This results in more flavorful and juicy dishes that are sure to impress your family and guests. Blackstone is a reputable brand in the outdoor cooking industry, known for its high-quality products and excellent customer service. The company stands behind its products with a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with your griddle at any point, Blackstone's customer support team is readily available to address your concerns or facilitate returns. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Blackstone flat-top gas griddle 2-burner propane-fueled rear grease management system is an exceptional choice for anyone serious about outdoor cooking. Its large cooking surface, powerful burners, innovative grease management system, and ease of use make it a standout product in its category. Whether you're a seasoned griller or a beginner, this griddle offers the versatility and functionality needed to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. The griddle's portability and robust construction further enhance its appeal, making it a reliable companion for camping trips, tailgating, and backyard barbecues. With Blackstone's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, you can purchase this griddle with confidence. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.